Welcome back. We are going to discuss the topic of isotopes. In this lesson, we would study how atoms of the same element are different from other atoms. Before getting into the details, let's review atomic number. Atomic number of an element represents the number of protons of an element. The atomic number of protons, identifies the type of element present. The atomic number is unique to each other, like you have your social security number. You are identified by that number. No two persons can have the same social security number. Similarly, no two elements can have the same atomic number. Look at this diagram. There are two numbers, one given on the left side of the carbon as subscript, one number given on the top left side as a superscript. Number 6 indicates that C or carbon has 6 protons. And we know carbon has 6 electrons as well, because number of protons and number of electrons are always equal. The mass shown here is 12. I know carbon has 6 neutrons. How I know? Because I subtracted atomic number from mass number. So I got 6. So remember that. In order to get number of neutrons, we subtract atomic number from the mass number. Clear? Now we are going to look few more examples. There are 3 hydrogen, but you see the first hydrogen -1, second one hydrogen -2, third one hydrogen -3. How? Hydrogen -1 has 1 proton, proton 1, electron 1, but 0 neutrons, no neutron. So what should be the mass number? Proton plus neutron. So since neutron is 0, proton is 1, so mass number is also 1. -2, hydrogen -2. See here, 1 proton, 1 electron, 1 neutron. So we added proton and neutrons, we get the mass number as 2. Proton plus neutron. 1 proton, 1 neutron. We got 2. Third hydrogen, -3. 1 proton, 1 electron, 2 neutrons. So now the mass number, proton plus neutrons, proton 1, neutron 2, so mass is 3. What do you see common in these 3 hydrogen? Number of protons, same. Number of electron, same. Proton, same. Electron, same. The only thing which is different, number of neutrons. And this difference is causing hydrogen to have different masses. So what we see, atoms having same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. Hydrogen 1 is called protium. Hydrogen 2 we call deuterium. Hydrogen 3 called tritium. Remember, in your test, in your exam, if they say you have been given a deuterium atom, so remember the hydrogen which has atomic mass of 2. Okay? If you come across any question, don't hesitate to ask in comment section. Let's proceed. It has been given how we calculated number of neutrons. You can take this picture. On the right side, there are two isotopes of chlorine have been shown. Same atomic number 1717, different mass number 3537. This different mass making chlorine having different number of neutrons. Again, recap. Atoms having same atomic number but different mass number are called isotope. Okay. What are isotopes? Now you have to explain, you have to describe on your test. And here is a guideline. The atoms of a chemical element can exist in different types. These are called isotopes. Isotopes are atoms of the same element that have the same number of protons and electrons, but they have different number of neutrons, and therefore they have different atomic mass. Discussion. Question number 1. Why are isotopes of an element still of the same element even though they have different number of neutrons between them? Pause the video for 30 seconds, think about it, discuss with your partners, and then come back and I will give you the answer. Because atomic number never changes and identifies an atom. Okay? We still say same element because it is same atomic number. Second one, what's wrong in this? We know the bottom number on the left side as its subscript, atomic number. Oxygen. From periodic table, we know oxygen atomic number is 8. It cannot be changed. Mass can be changed, but atomic number never changes because atomic number is based on number of neutrons. Clear? Again, if you got any question, please type your question in the comment section. So this is very brief, short and sweet story about an isotope. Recap. All atoms of the same element must have the same atomic number. Always remember, atomic number would never change. It means number of protons remains same. Number of neutrons can change between atoms of the same element. Because of that, mass can change between atoms of the same element. If the number of protons change, then the element changes. Therefore, atomic number would never change. That's all for the day. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.